have been tasked to calculate tan theta, cos theta, and this when sin theta is given. The first approach is for us to draw the diagram, which is the right angle triangle. Okay, pardon my drawing. So we have something like this. Now let's label as this is a straight line. This is 90 degrees, which is the right angle triangle, and this be theta. So if this be theta, where this angle face here, this is the opposite. Here we have this one, the opposite here. This is going to be the hypotenuse, and the base here, the remaining one is the adjacent. So we apply the Sonkatua, okay, which is SOH CAH TOA. Now this simply means this is sine. So for sine, we have the opposite over the hypotenuse. So for cos is equals to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tan is equals to the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine opposite, so this is 3. Okay, hypotenuse, this is 5. So once we have this, the next thing we have to do, we have to be able to find the unknown, okay, which is the adjacent. For us to calculate the adjacent, we apply Pythagoras theory, okay, which is h square equals to the opposite square plus the adjacent square. Okay, the longest side equals to the sum of this. But the longest side is given as 5 square equals to the opposite is given as 3 square plus a square, which you don't know. So this is 25 equals to 9 plus a square. Right? Now we subtract here by minus 9, this again by 9, this and this go. So a square equals, if you subtract this gives you 16, you need a. So in this case, forget about plus or minus, just say the square root, okay? So the square root of 16, so your a is equals to 4. All right? Now once you establish that, you can figure out these ones easy. So my first one is tan theta. Tan is the opposite, which is 3 over adjacent, which is 4. That's the answer. And cos theta equals to, cos is what? Adjacent, which is 4, over the hypotenuse is 5. Right? So now for us to calculate this one, so cos theta is 4 over 5 divided by tan theta is what? 3 over 4. What is the answer? Okay? See you guys in my